Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can copy the URL of the shop on Etsy. It could be your shop or other people's shops. This is very quick and easy. So if it's your shop, you just want to open your shop, make sure you open it. Now after you are on your shop, you just want to copy your name. Okay, copy your name, click Ctrl C or click right click and then click copy. And then after that you want to go to a new tab and paste that name here, and then add to that name, add .etsy.com. That's the URL of your shop. Just want to copy it, and then you can send it to anyone. For example, you can just send that URL to anyone and people are going to check your store or your shop on Etsy. You can do that on other people's shops. For example, I'm going to select, for example, this shop, the URL of this shop. Now copy, like I said, you just want to copy the name and then add .etsy.com. So that's exactly, guys, how you can get the URL of the Etsy shop, and then you can copy it, Ctrl C and then copy. That's how you can copy it. See you guys in the next video. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.